Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to assemble the Rast 3-drawer chest from IKEA. For this build, you have a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a drill, a hammer, a 5/16" drill bit, a tape measure, a pencil, and an Allen key that IKEA gives you. If you want to speed up the assembly process, then you can also use a Phillips or posi drive bit. So the first step is to grab these two side panels and put them into this orientation. Just make sure that these two pairs of holes that I pointed to are in this position. Also grab 6 of these drawer slides. Then attach 3 drawer slides per panel. If you need to, you can gently hammer in the drawer slides. The whole process will look like this. Next, grab the top panel and put it into this orientation. Also grab 6 dowels and hammer them into these 6 holes. Now connect both panels like this. Then grab 2 of these screws and an Allen key. Using the Allen key, secure the 2 screws into these 2 holes. Now flip the structure you just put together like this and grab these 2 pieces of wood. Just make sure that the larger holes are facing the left side. Also grab 4 dowels. Then hammer in the 4 dowels into these 4 holes. Next, connect both pieces of wood as shown. Now connect the other side panel like this. Then grab 4 screws, and using the Allen key, secure them into these 4 holes. Now flip the chest over and grab 2 more screws, then secure them into these 2 holes using the Allen key. Next, flip the chest like this. And grab the backing, and make sure the smooth side is facing down, and place it on as shown. Now grab the bag of nails and the nail holder. If you're not comfortable with hammering in the nails, then you can use the nail holder to help you out. You'll be hammering 20 nails equidistant from each other all along the backing. The whole process will look like this. Next, grab 4 plastic scratch guards and hammer them into these 4 spots. Now put the chest against your intended wall. If you want to secure the chest to drywall, then grab the wall hardware. I've already done these steps in another video, so I'll leave a link with a timestamp in the description below if you want to check out on how it's done. So now let's focus on the drawers. Grab this front drawer piece and put it into this orientation. Also grab 4 V-screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Then grab both side drawer pieces and put them into this orientation. Then connect them as shown. Next, grab 4 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Now grab the bottom of the drawer and slide it in as shown. The smooth side should be facing inwards. Then grab the back of the drawer and place it on as shown. Next, grab 4 plastic pins and hammer them into these 4 holes. If you have a rubber mallet, you can use it in this step. Now flip the drawer over and grab 2 knobs and screws. Then secure each knob with 1 screw. The whole process will look like this. Now repeat the same steps regarding the drawer 2 more times. After assembling all the drawers, put the one with the warning label into the top level, then put the other 2 in like this. Now grab 6 drawer stops and secure 2 drawer stops per drawer. It's going to look like this. Do the same thing with the other 2 drawers. So you now have a fully assembled Rast 3 drawer chest from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.